Good afternoon. Hola. We're in the Central Market. Just going to check it out. It's all enclosed. Lots of meat. And more meat. Hola. Thank you. Hola. Oh, lovely. Thank you. There you go. There's a Spanish stud for you. Girls at the gym back in Aussie. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, girls.
Pero muy simpático.
Gracias.
Adiós, guapa. Y estoy mirando a comer, se han puesto unos callos.
There you go. We got the flexing from the old and the young. Back for the girls in body pump at the gym. World Gym Port Macquarie shout out. Hola. Oh, look at that. It's a pig. It's a pig's face. You eat that? Yeah? Wow. I don't know if I'm going to eat a pig's face. It looks like a mask, doesn't it? Hello, Australia. Get your chooks and your pig's faces. Gracias! They love the camera here. It's great. Always worried about cameras and people. They play to it here. We got flexing, we got pigs' faces flapped at us. It is massive. Yum yum. Might be able to buy some things to cook. Just not pigs' faces, hey? Where's Hudson? He's gone down here. Doesn't like the camera if you haven't noticed. I'm the Aussie girl. He's a Scotsman. We're in Alicante in Spain at the Central Market, just checking it out. We're literally staying in an Airbnb across the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe below and share with your friends. Send comments. See you later. Adios.